9 regarding Portia Smith case. Sydney Katz on behalf of the plaintiff.
That is adjourned February 6, 10:45. This is 22-26-26 LT Dearborn View versus Paul Macy.
Morning, Your Honor. Sydney Katz on behalf of the plaintiff.
Mr. Macy, can you tell me your full name?
It's a Paul Allen, Macy Jr.
All right, good morning to you, sir. This is the date and time scheduled for your first court appearance on a non-payment of rent case. You're entitled to be represented by counsel. You can hire your own lawyer, but if you're unable to do so, we have Lakeshore Legal Aid on the line to speak with you in a private conversation. Would you like to speak with an attorney today?
I'll please, Your Honor.
Sure. So I'm going to adjourn your case to February 6th at 10:45 a.m.
Okay.
And then we'll send you an invitation. We're going to send you an invitation.
Did you say the
Go ahead.
5th? You said the 5th, Your Honor?
2-6.
Okay.
Okay? And then
Okay, at
after you have the
10:45.
conversation, you can hang up.
Okay. Thank you.
You're welcome. Have a good one.
Your Honor,
Okay.
if I could indicate to Mr.
Oh, I'm sorry,
Macy
Mr. Macy.
balance.
Mr. Macy, hold on.
I'm here.
Mr. Macy, this is Attorney Sydney Katz. I'm showing your balance as of today is $2,766. Does that sound correct?
I'll correct. Yes.
Okay, thank you. Just wanted to
Okay.
confirm.
Hold on, sir. We're going to send you an invitation. This is Dearborn View versus Montel Turner, 22-26-27 LT.
Good morning, Your Honor. Sydney Katz on behalf of the plaintiff.
I'm here.
Good morning, Mr. Turner. Mr. Turner, you're entitled to be represented by counsel. You can hire your own lawyer, but if you're unable to do so, we have legal aid on the line available to speak with you privately. I am going to adjourn your matter to give you time to have that conversation to February 6th at 10:45. Mr. Katz?
Okay.
Mr. Turner, I'm showing you currently have a balance of $2,528. Does that sound correct?
Yes, that's correct.
All right, just making sure.
All right, Mr. Turner, would you like to speak with an attorney?
Yes, but I do have a question. Because so if I was able to pay the full amount before the next court date, I understand I still have to go to the court appearance, but how would that go?
Then the landlord would file a dismissal if it's paid in full.
Okay, thank you. Well,
You're
yes.
welcome, sir.
The breakout rooms are full.
Okay. Mr. Turner, you gotta hold on for just a second. The breakout rooms are full with other folks talking to attorneys, so just give us a moment.
Okay.
This is Dearborn View versus Al-Sawabi. I know I can.
Morning, Your Honor. Sydney Katz on behalf of the plaintiff.
Matters adjourned to February 6th, 10:45. No personal service.
On the iPhone, what is your name?
Do it says I'm under iPhone? T.I.
Yes,
Pitts?
Pitts? Okay, hold
Yes.
1 second.
Hi, Ms. Pitts.
Hi.
This is date and time schedule for your first court appearance on a non-payment of rent case on 22-26-29 LT. You have the right to speak with an attorney. Would you like to speak with an attorney on this matter?
Yes.
Okay, hold the line.
And Your Honor, Sydney Katz on behalf of the plaintiff. Your Honor, the current balance, Ms. Pitts, is $4,122. Does that sound correct?
No. The letter I got, it said 2,900.
Right, that's from the date it was filed. However, today, you currently owe, as of today, which includes January rent, $4,122.
Okay, well that's probably right then.
Okay, all right, great.
All right, Ms. Pitts, if you want to speak with an attorney with legal aid, just hold on.
Okay, thank you.
You're very welcome.
Ms. Barker, she's not connected to audio. Last four numbers, phone number 5789. What's your name? Last four, 5789 of your phone number. What's your name?
Carissa Coates.
For 1 second.
That looks like an 11:30 or 11:40, 11:30.
Ms. Coates, good morning. This is Judge Johnson. Can you hear
Hey, how you
me?
doing, ma'am?
I'm
Yes, I
well.
can very well.
Okay, good. This is 22-2643 LT Dearborn View versus Coates.
Yes, ma'am.
All right, you're a little early, but I'm going to take your case. You have the right to speak with an attorney on this matter. You can hire your own lawyer, but if you're unable to, we have Lakeshore Legal Aid on the line to speak with if you would like to speak with an attorney today, we've got to put you in a breakout room and there's a bit of a wait because there's so many folks who are seeking counsel. Would you like to speak with an attorney today?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so we'll have you hold the line. Mr. Katz, do you want to verify rent?
Yeah, it looks like your balance is currently $663 in total. Does that sound right?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, sir.
Okay.
Okay, hold the line, ma'am. We'll put you in with an attorney. Anybody else from 11 o'clock here?
Person on the iPhone, what's your name?
And Ira Donaldson.
Yeah, 22-2635 LT Dearborn View versus Donaldson. Good morning, Ms. Donaldson.
Good morning.
What's your full name again, for the record?
It's Kanaira Donaldson.
All right, ma'am, you're entitled to be represented by counsel on this case. You can hire your own lawyer, but if you're unable to, we have Lakeshore Legal Aid on the call today available to assist you if you'd like to have a private conversation. Would you like to speak with an attorney today?
No, thank you.
All right, Mr. Katz?
Your Honor, this is actually a termination case, but there is a balance currently owed of over $5,800. As I indicated, it's a termination, so that's sort of
Okay.
the moot.
All right, so I just want to make sure you understand, Ms. Donaldson, this is a termination of tenancy. There's not a specific request to have you pay a certain amount before you move out.
Okay.
Okay, so they're trying to terminate the tenancy.
Okay.
Okay, so you said you wanted to speak with the lawyer? Or no? That's okay if you don't.
Yeah, no, I'm okay because I do have plans on evacuating the premises anyway.
Okay.
So
I'm going to adjourn your case. Your
okay.
next court date will be February 6th.
Okay.
At 11 a.m. Now, if you move out and everything, then let them know over there at the complex and
Yes.
And see if they're willing to dismiss if you move out. But if it has not been dismissed and you don't have anything in writing or a call from the court, please return on February 6th.
Yes, ma'am.
All right, you're all set. Thanks. Have a great day.
Thank you, you too.
This is 22-26-32 LT Dearborn View versus Ashley Barker.
Good morning, Your Honor.
Oh,
Cindy
she's
Gatz on
not
behalf-
connected to audio. I'm sorry, counsel. She's not connecting to audio.
Hello, I'm sorry. Can you guys hear me now?
Yes, ma'am.
I'm sorry.
All right, Ms. Barker, that's okay. I'm glad you're here. This is Judge Johnson. This is a date and time schedule for your very first court appearance on 22-26-32 LT. You have the right to be represented by counsel. If you can't hire your own lawyer, Lakeshore Legal Aid is on the line available to speak with you if you'd like. Would you like to speak with an attorney?
I don't know if that's, I don't know.
Okay, Mr. Katz?
Your Honor, currently I'm showing a balance as of today of $2,739. Does that sound right, Ms. Barker?
Yes.
All right,
And
Ms.
then-
Barker, I'm sorry, counsel, did I cut you off?
I was just gonna ask if she has intention of paying.
Yes,
what
I
her
do.
intention-
If I could have at least until the end of the week, like I can have
Yeah, so
$1,100 today.
Here's
Um,
what's gonna happen, Ms. Barker. Your case is gonna be dismissed, is gonna be a second hearing on February the 6th. So if it's
Okay.
paid in full before the end of the month, this will be dismissed because you'll have a zero balance.
Okay,
But if you do wait until February 6th, then at that point, February rent will be due as well.
okay, well, I definitely will make sure it's paid by the end of this week.
All right, Ms. Barker, your next court date will be February 6th at 11 a.m.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Dearborn View versus Walker.
Morning, Your Honor. Cindy Katz on behalf of plaintiff.
That's 22-26-30 LT. The matter is adjourned February 6th, 11 a.m. Dearborn
I'm
View
assuming
versus,
no personal
Rita's?
service. I'm assuming.
let me see on that one. No, service by attachment.
Oh,
And on
consistent.
22-26-31, is Dearborn View versus Rita's,
No,
service
that
by
is-
attachment. See that person, matters adjourned February 6th, 11 a.m.
Thank you, Your Honor. I think we're 11:15 is the next. Your Honor, in the meantime, I don't know if anyone from legal aid has anything that they need to talk to me about. I know that several people spoke to them. Mr. Morowski, Ms. Cooper. Anything I need to know?
They're very good at butting in on the record. They know just how to do it if they need something.
Well, I've dealt with each one multiple times. I saw Ms. McLemore as well, so, Ms. Cooper, anything I should know?
Good morning, Mr. Katz. Good morning, Your Honor. No,
Good
not
morning.
yet.
Okay, just checking.
Good
I just
Monday.
like to avoid the surprises.
Yeah, we're
Me
working on
too.
it.
And we have Ms. Walker, who you just called, Your Honor.
Hello.
Go ahead. You just called her case. Ms. Walker, I just called you. I just called your case. This is
You
Judge
said you
Johnson.
just called.
Yep,
You just called my name.
I call it, yep. So,
Oh.
you're here on a non-payment of rent case. You're entitled to be represented by counsel. Let me get the case number on the record. Let's see. 2630, 222630 LT. Yeah, take it. Thank you. And this is Dearborn View versus Walker. And Ms. Walker, you're entitled to be represented by counsel. You can hire your own lawyer, but if you're unable to, we do have Lakeshore Legal Aid on the line available to assist you if you'd like. Would you like to speak with an attorney today?
Yes.
Okay, so also, Mr. Katz, you want to speak with Ms. Walker?
Yes, Your Honor, Ms. Walker, your current balance is, as of today, $1,093. Does that sound correct?
Yes.
Okay.
All right.
All right.
All right, Ms. Walker, we'll see you on the 6th of February. Hold the line because we're going to put you in a private room to speak with the lawyer.
Okay.
Thank you, ma'am.
Telephone number 5789. Telephone
Hello.
number five. Hi, what is your name?
Carissa Coates.
Okay, did you need something else, Ms. Coates?
Can you repeat that for me, sir?
Did you need anything else?
No, that'll be all.
Okay, you can leave.
Thank you.
We're back on the record. This is Dearborn View Apartments versus Demetria Gully, 222636 LT.
Morning, Your Honor. Cindy Katz on behalf of plaintiff.
Ms. Gully, would you please unmute and tell me your full name for the record?
Hi, Demetria Gully.
All right. And I'm going to call another matter because I have to give the same speech. 222639 LT, Dearborn View versus John again. Ma'am, if you could please unmute and tell me your full name.
Ariana Jonigan.
All right. Good morning to you.
Good
Ladies,
morning.
both of you are here on a first appearance on a non-payment of rent case, and I need to advise you that you are entitled to be represented by counsel. You can hire your own attorney, but if you're unable to do that, we do have Lakeshore Legal Aid on the call today available to assist you if you'd like to speak with an attorney. Ms. Scully, would you like to speak with an attorney today?
No.
All right. Mr. Katz, anything you want to say to Ms. Scully?
Yeah, Ms. Gully, I'm showing that you currently have a balance due of $1,408 as of today. Does that sound correct?
Yeah, I just submitted it though. It might have been a little after 11.
Oh, you just made that payment?
Yeah.
Okay, so as long as you end up with a zero balance before the end of the month, the case will get dismissed. It's going to be adjourned till February 6th. So as long as my client informs me that that payment was received in full, then if that's the case, I will be sending a dismissal to the court.
Okay.
All right, you're all set, ma'am. Have a great day. We'll see you on February 6th.
Thank you.
Ms.
Okay,
Jonigan,
thank you. Have a good one.
Yes,
would you like to speak with an attorney today?
yes, I would.
Okay, so I'm going to adjourn your matter to February 6th at 11:15, February 6th at 11:15. Hold the line. We'll send you an invitation to speak with the attorney, and after you have that call, you can end the call.
Thank you.
And Your Honor, Ms. Jonigan, I'm showing you currently have a balance as of today of $5,082. Does that sound correct?
Yes, the reason to that is because my ceiling fell in. My tub is spilling. I have lead
Okay,
in my
you're gonna talk
tub.
to legal. Okay, you're gonna talk to legal aid about that, but also follow up with my client and just make sure that they're aware of the situation. Okay.
Okay.
All right, Ms. Jonigan, hold the line. And then Dearborn View versus Zumont and Dearborn View versus Lament. Both of those matters are adjourned to February 6, 11:15 a.m.
Your Honor, any of them have personal service?
Let's see. No and no.
All right, and Zamat is a termination of tenancy, just for the record.
Great.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Yeah, I hopped on from my laptop. So we know the mic works.
This is just the mic that's on my laptop. But it's giving me that kind of feedback, so now we can't do it.
We can. Telephone number 9862.
Yes.
Good morning. What is your name?
Ashley Williams.
Thank you.
Check 1, 2, 3. Check 1, 2, 3.
Hello.
Yes, Miss Williams, just sit tight.
Oh, okay.
Good morning, Ms. Williams. This is Judge Johnson. You're here on 22-2590 LT. Heatherwood versus Williams. Okay. Ms. Williams, you have the right to an attorney. You can hire your own lawyer to represent you, but if you are unable to do that, we have Lakeshore Legal Aid on the line available to assist. Would you like to speak with an attorney today?
No, I'm okay.
Okay, Jan, what date do you want to give Heatherwood? It's 2/6, okay?
Yes, that's fine.
All right, we'll see you back. We're going to adjourn this matter until February 6th at 11:30 a.m. You'll log on just like you did today. See you then.
Okay.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning.
You have to pull over while you're in court.
That's what I'm doing.
Thank you.
You're welcome. I'm pausing.
Ma'am, on the iPhone. Can you move to a better area? Can you move to a better area? Your phone is breaking up.
Hello?
Hello. Yes, ma'am. What is your name?
Is it better now?
Yes, ma'am. What is your name? Telephone number 5701.
Deshauna Poe.
Thank you.
All right, we're back on the record. Heatherwood Apartments versus Brandon Hudson, 222578 LT.
Good morning, Your Honor. Christopher Borkin for the plaintiff.
Good morning. Getting a response on Brandon Hudson. The matter is adjourned until February 6th at 11:30 a.m. Counsel, I believe you were off the record. We did handle Ashley Williams, Heatherwoods versus Ashley Williams. That matter is adjourned to February 6th at 11:30 a.m.
And I apologize, what was the date on Hudson? Was that the same date?
Same date,
Okay.
same time. Okay.
Thank you.
Dearborn View versus Andrew Woods, 222640 LT.
Good morning, Your Honor. Cindy Katz on behalf of the plaintiff.
Great. No response for Andrew Woods. The matter is adjourned until February 6th at 11:30. Dearborn View versus Lysandra Carter, 222642 LT.
Lysandra Carter.
Hi, Ms. Carter. Ms. Carter, this is your first appearance on a non-payment of rent case. You're entitled to be represented by counsel. You can hire your own attorney, but if you're unable to, we have Lakeshore Legal Aid on the line available to have a confidential conversation with you if you'd like. Would you like to speak with an attorney from Lakeshore Legal Aid?
Can I talk to them after this or?
Yes, you would speak with them after this hearing.
Okay.
Today. All right.
Yes.
Now, the attorney for Dearborn View is on the call. Mr. Katz, anything you want to say to Ms. Carter?
Your Honor, thank you. Ms. Carter, currently I'm showing a balance as of today of $3,757. Does that sound correct?
Yes, it's for December and January. And
Well,
cost.
probably November, December, and January, plus maybe some others. So.
No, it shouldn't be for November because I just moved in November. I mean, I moved in the end of October.
Okay, you might want to get a copy of your ledger, just so you're clear as far as what that ledger balance is including, okay?
Okay.
If it's paid up in full before we're in court, if you have a zero balance at any time, we will dismiss the case.
Okay.
All right, Ms. Carter, you have your next court date. We're going to send you to a breakout room to speak with the attorneys from Legal Aid, and then you can end the call after that conversation. Thank you, ma'am.
Okay, when is my next, you said you gave me next court?
February 6th at 11:30.
February 6th, 11:30. Okay, thank you.
Thank you.
is working.
You know, what if I, sorry.
All right, we're back on the record. This is 222596 LT Park Lane Townhomes versus Pope.
Morning again, Your Honor. Lisa Schneider for the plaintiff.
Good morning. Oh, this is so much better. Ms. Pope, can you hear me?
Yes, I can.
Good morning. Tell me your full name, please.
Good morning. My name is Deshauna Pope.
All right, Ms. Pope, this is the date and time scheduled for your first court appearance on a non-payment of rent case. You have the right to be represented by counsel. You can hire a lawyer of your choosing, but if you're unable to, we do have Lakeshore Legal Aid on the call available to assist. Would you like to speak with an attorney today?
Yes, please.
Okay, I'm going to adjourn your case then to February 6th at 11:45 a.m. Got it?
Yes, you said February 6th at 11:45.
Yes, ma'am. Same time as today.
Okay.
You'll log on just like you did today. And so right now, in order for you to speak to Lakeshore Legal Aid, we're going to put you on a brief hold and put you in a breakout room so you can have a private conversation.
Okay, thank you.
Okay, thank you. Park Lane Townhomes versus Alberta Pryor.
Lisa Schneider for the plaintiff, Your Honor.
All right, I'm not getting a response. We'll adjourn that matter to February 6th, 11:45 a.m.
Excuse me, Your Honor.
Yes.
Your Honor.
Yeah.
That resident actually passed away. We're just trying to get possession of her apartment back, so she's not going to show up because she passed away.
I'm sorry to hear that.
Yeah, she was a good resident, and unfortunately, she had one husband. He lives out of state. His number is no longer working, and she doesn't really have any family, so it is sad. So we're just ultimately trying to maintain our property back.
All right, so you want an immediate route?
Yes, ma'am.
You got it.
Thank you.
All right, you're welcome.
I'll prepare the paperwork, Your Honor.
Thank you so much.
you.
All right, and then Dearborn View versus Gisette Neal, 222644 LT.
Good morning, Your Honor. Sidney Katz on behalf of the plaintiff.
All right, no response, counsel. We'll adjourn this matter. What's the
Any
last
personal
time
service?
Mr. Katz? Okay. No, this is service by attachment, so we'll adjourn this to February 6th at 11:30 a.m.
Perfect. Thank you, Your Honor. Have a good day. I think that was my last.
That's your last one?
I think so.
All right, enjoy your day, sir. Thank you.
All right. Thank you. You too. You too.
We're going to stand in recess until 12 o'clock. Thank you. We're back on the record. This is Park Lane Townhomes versus Blackman, 222600 LT.
Lisa Schneider on behalf of the plaintiff, Your Honor.
Ms. Blackman, if you could tell me your full name for the record?
Latia Blackman.
All right, Ms. Blackman. This is date and time scheduled for your first court appearance on a non-payment of rent case. You're entitled, ma'am, to be represented by counsel. You can hire your own attorney, but if you're unable to do that, we do have Lakeshore Legal Aid on the line. Would you like to speak with an attorney today?
Well, I don't know if I should or not. I'm kind of like all over. I don't know what should I do. I reached out to different organizations and I'm waiting on them to call me back. I just started a new job, so I want to pay them. I want to get it paid like at the end of next month. I know I can have it all paid because I have a new job. So if they could work with me, because I don't want to leave. I got 7 kids and I need my home, and I have a senior this year and he's coming out of school, and I have a sophomore. They go to school around here, so I want to be here and I want to pay my bills.
I think Ms. Blackman, you might be helped by a private conversation with an attorney.
Okay.
Okay, I think that might help you. So hold the line, but your next court date will be February 6th at noon. Same time as today.
Okay.
On February 6th.
Okay.
All right, we'll send you an invitation to go into a breakout room. Thank you, ma'am.
Okay, thank you.
You let Mr. Shoulders know? Yes. Okay. Okay, this is Park Lane Townhomes versus Jalen Daniels, 222599 LT.
Lisa Schneider on behalf of the plaintiff, Your Honor.
Mr. Daniels, your full name for the record, sir.
Jalen Daniels.
All right, good afternoon to you. Sir, this is a date and time scheduled for a first court appearance on a non-payment of rent case. You have the right to be represented by counsel. Would you like to speak with an attorney with legal aid today?
Yes.
Okay, I'm going to adjourn your matter. So your next court date will be February 6th at 12 noon.
Okay, thank you.
All right, so hold the line. We'll send you an invitation to go into a breakout room.
Your Honor?
Yes.
I'm sorry, what is the rent to retain?
On Mr. Daniels, that amount, well, as of December 19th, it was $1,810.
And I have 1,876.
Okay.
Ms. Cooper.
Thank you so much, Ms. Snyder.
You're welcome.
All right.
That should do it for me, Judge. I have a number of dismissals, but I'm not sure they're still on your docket.
Okay, thanks so much. Good seeing you.
You too, Judge.
All right, so the phone number at the bottom. And let's see. I've got 2 trials, one at 1:30, one at 2. All right, Lakeshore folks, that's all we have until the trials. Not sure if any of you are yep, Mr. George is on one. The other, this Perm is representing himself. Okay,
Thank you, Your Honor.
thank you. Good seeing ya.
Good seeing you as well.
To your left. To your left. Back up against the wall, face the camera.
Good afternoon, sir. What is your name?
Carl Hightower.
Mr. Hightower.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, Mr. Hightower, you're here today because you stood me up for a probation violation hearing. So the current balance of the current bond is $1,000 cash. It's continued. We will see you back for probation violation hearing on, oh, actually, no, the bond is $10,000. No, it's 10,000, 10%. So that's 1,000 cash. Or did I change it? Wait a minute. I might have changed it. Let's see. Outstanding tickets. No, this is 1,000 cash. So we'll set it for, I'll continue the bond of 1,000 cash. We'll set the violation of probation hearing for January 31st at 10 a.m.
Okay.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you. Okay. She gave me another court date. Is the next defendant Ross?
Sir, thank you.
Yes, sir.
Is the next defendant Ross?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
And if you don't come up with a grant. To your left. Back up and face the camera. Back all the way up against the wall, face the camera. Come this way, come this way. There you go, right there in the center.
Mr. Ross, can you hear me?
Yes, ma'am.
Good morning to you, sir. You're here on 230066 FY. It's alleged, sir, that on or about January 20th, 2023, in the city of Inkster, that you did in count 1, carrying a concealed weapon, that you did carry a dangerous weapon, whether concealed or otherwise, in a vehicle operated or occupied by you. That's a felony punishable by up to 5 years in prison or a $2,500 fine, mandatory forfeiture of weapon or device. Do you understand the charge, sir?
You said 5 years? I mean.
That's the maximum penalty. That's the maximum penalty by law. That does not mean what you're gonna get. Okay? I have to advise you of the maximums.
Yes, ma'am.
Yep, carrying a weapon in the car, very serious felony. So the court is going to enter a plea of not guilty on your behalf. Sir, I need to ask you some questions in order to set your bond. What's your current address?
It's 109 Pallister Street, apartment 1306.
Okay, hold on, let me just see if that's the address we have for you. Yep, that's the one we got. All right, and Mr. Ross, are you on probation or parole anywhere?
No, ma'am.
And are you going to hire your own attorney or do you need a court-appointed attorney?
The court appointed attorney.
All right, you got it. So the court has entered a plea of not guilty. We're gonna place you on a $5,000 personal bond. You don't need to post a dime. Because I can see it on your face, just breathe. You don't need to post a dime. But if you fail to appear, or if you pick up a charge while this case is pending, the court could revoke your bond, or you'd have to post $5,000 to be out and about while the case is pending. So just come to court when you're supposed to. Can you do that? So your next court date will be February 1st at 9 a.m. We'll have your attorney here to represent you. We'll give you instructions on how to zoom in. And we'll see you back on February 1st. No weapons in your possession while this case is pending. Understood? No weapons, no ammunition.
Yes, ma'am.
All right, Mr. Ross, we'll see you then.
Thank you. Thank you, Your Honor. Thank you, Judge.